Hey, I'm with Janani Sridhar, and she'll be sharing with us the experience of her with YM Chisel.
Hi, this is Janani Sridhar. I'm doing my PGDM with Jaipur Institute of Management. I did my YM Chisel project with Design Clusters. Design Clusters is a startup company based in Rao Road. It mainly deals with software. It's a software company wherein they sell softwares to industries such as Grasim Industries, etc. Our task was to design a rule book for them, as it was an initial startup. I, being a HR elective person, had a task to design the service book wherein we had to incorporate all the policies and structures that is being studied in HR. So it was a very challenging task, as being a fresher, I had to go through many of the rule book of other companies and design a policy handbook, wherein I had to also look into the employees who are working there and designing as per their needs and demands. So I really enjoyed working there, as it gave me an exposure of what HR person does in an organization. So overall experience with Design Clusters was awesome. Thank you.
And ma'am, like you have been such a great part of YM Chisel, would you like to enlighten the juniors what exactly Chisel is?
Yes, I would like to tell juniors that please take this YM Chisel seriously, because it would help you in some or the other way. Because as we being a fresher, we don't know what an industry expects from us. So if you are being a part of YM Chisel, you will get an opportunity as to what an organization wants from you as an employee. So I would recommend that please take this seriously, and you would enjoy being a part of YM Chisel. Thank you.
And any special learning that you have still carried from YM Chisel to your life?
Yes. We always tell that we have to be on time to organizations, and mostly if we take our classrooms, we are not so serious about it. But going to a company on a daily basis, talking to the managers and your boss, it really reflects as to how we should be prepared in order to join an organization and to be a part of it and help us build a career with the organization.
Ma'am, and all this experience is helping you in your placement process?
Yes, it does. It is helping me out because whatever I already designed as a part of YM Chisel in my previous year, it is that the same thing is being studied by me in HR electives. So I'm already having a basic understanding as to what HR is all about. So it's really an add-on for me. I'm liking it.
Thank you, ma'am. It's been great talking to you about YM Chisel.